Hey, welcome back, Gary Brown Forging On. Yeah, I'm cracking myself up today. Don't know why. Anyway, horseshoe. Where's horseshoes? Oh, steel rod. All that I have in common? Nothing. So, but we're going to make something out of it, and I'm going to do a little challenge. Hopefully, it'll spread around some. We'll put a hashtag. I'll write down here something like hashtag phone holder 2021. I don't know, something like that. I'll put it down here. This hashtag, if you make something, we'll put it all on the playlist. This is the same thing Perry over at SW Dweeb. I'll link his site below. And also, he had a challenge a few years ago, I think. I think I was making bottle openers or something. And it was, but the thing I liked about it, it was across all crafts. It wasn't just blacksmithing. It could be fabricating, woodworking, casting, machinist, just anything you want to do. Whittle one, it don't matter. But I got this idea. There was a lady. I used to take, got a lot of horseshoes. I used to take them and cut them in half for demonstrations. And I hope to do another video if you're interested in demonstrating. Plus, let me know down below in comments if you'd like something like that. Know what it takes to demonstrate. I've done a few craft shows and a few demonstrations. There's a ton more experienced people, but I could tell you, some stuff what I learned from my experience. If you're interested, just let me know. I was making, horse hoof picks with horse heads on them. So it was a horseshoe with a horse head and a horse hoof pick. It was all run together. And also letter openers. Of course, this is mild steel. So I would make a knife out of one end, which would just be a letter opener. But I'd put a horse head on it. Lady I work with, she asked if I could make her something, maybe out of a horseshoe or just anything that she could prop her phone up, which my phone is my camera, so I can't demonstrate it. But we use this. It's my phone. Hello. But she was always having to lay it on the desk, and she was listening to music. We were both computer programmers, and she was listening to music while she coded. And then if something came up, she'd have to lean over and look at it. And she wanted it up in an angle. So I made her some small versions of these that she could put on her desk and hold her phone. So I made her one of these, and she said she took her, the lady took her home, and she started putting her iPad in there while she's eating breakfast. She could read her news at a good angle in front of her. So I've made a jig and all that to make these. So this is my challenge. Whatever you want to make it out of, wood, concrete, steel, if you want to cast it, aluminum, bronze, whatever you want to do. You can make it out of plastic, as far as that matters. Just hashtag or 2021 fold holder challenge. Whatever I decide, I'll put it right here and I'll put it at the bottom. And spread it around. Let's have a little fun with it. And everybody just make you something. Like I said, machinist, anything. You could make something just to hold a phone up. It'll be interesting to see what everybody comes up with. So hey, let's get started. Let's have a little fun in 2021. 2020 is behind us. Let's just go out and enjoy it and spread around and have fun and hashtag it, and I'll put it all on a playlist. We'll say it all has to be done. We'll give everybody some time. Try to have it done, say, at the end of February. And I think Perry from SW Dweeb has also talked about having another challenge, so also watch him. I don't want to interfere with his stuff. He kind of started this, and so I just kind of asked him a long time ago if it'd be okay if I did something, and this is what I had in mind. And then I'll get my video out there. But we'll just say at the last day of February, we'll post them all out there. In fact, hang on to them so that they all show up on the last day of February, and we can go watch everybody's. How about that? So anyway, you all have a blessed day and enjoy making and creating. We'll see you. Bye-bye now.